Alright, today we are going to discuss about median. In our median is obtained when a data is distributed, and in order to get median, the data will now be arranged either in ascending order or descending order of magnitude. Then the item found at the middle of that data after arrangement is the one termed median. So now we have three ways of solving median, but on the board we have only two. The first one is median of ungrouped data without frequency. In the ungrouped data without frequency, we have it in two different ways they can appear. Good. In the first one, assuming the data distributed is like this. For us to calculate median, we check the total number of data distributed, counting it down from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if the total number counted, if the data is little like this, as it is data, ungrouped data without frequency, if it's just like this, and before we get to the median, we check if it is arranged either in ascending or descending order. Maybe that is based on this data distributed, it is arranged in ascending order. In that case, counting this thing now, the total is 7. So if the total number is 7, the median will be a single median at the middle. That is, the item at the middle is the median. Based on this, we notice that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is found at the middle. So the 4 is now the median of the given data distributed. The 1 at the middle. We notice that the total number of this first number is an odd number. But if after counting the data distributed and the total number is an even number, see how we're going to calculate it. That is the example given in the second one. And based on this data distributed, we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total number is 10, which is an even number. Good. For us to calculate median, we check the two numbers, because once the total number is an even number, there must be two numbers that will be found at the middle. You can't get one number at the middle. It's only an odd number that you can have one to be taken as a median. Good. In this one now, we see that 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4, that is 1, 3, 4, 5. Then, and 8 and 12, they are at the middle, because from here to here we have 4 numbers. From here to here we have 4 numbers. That is 13. We have 13, 15, 20, 27. So 8 and 12 are at the middle. For us to calculate the median, we now say 8 plus 12. That is the two numbers at the middle. Adding them, we divide them by 2. 8 plus 12 will now give us 20 divided by 2. So 2 divided 20 give us 10. So 10 is the median of this given data distributed. Now, in the second method of calculating median, that one is talking about median of ungrouped data with frequency. So it has little formula. Okay, let's go to the question straight. The question says, find the median length of the wood in the table below. Let's assume that we have some wood in a particular place, and data, that is statistical data, is being taken from them. Good. Based on that analysis obtained from that wood experiment, we see that 5 wood have 12 meters, 15 have 15 meters, Then 10 of the wood have 20 meters. 20 of the wood have 23 meters. 11 of the wood have 27 meters. 7 of the wood have 35 meters. Then 12 of the wood have 40 meters. So for us to calculate the median, we can't calculate it easily like this. So we now use tabular form like this. So from the table given below, we have length. See the length. Then after the length, the next one that we follow is the frequency. That is the number of wood, which shows us the frequency. Now that is the frequency. We now calculate the total frequency. When we calculate the total frequency, that is 5 plus 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 11 plus 7 plus 12. All together will give us 80. Then the next column, which will be the last one in this case, is cumulative frequency. How do we get cumulative frequency? The first number here, we transfer it, and we transfer it to this first point of the cumulative frequency column. Now, to get others, we now have 15 plus 5 give us 20. 10 plus 20 give us 30. 20 plus 30 give us 50. 11 plus 50 give us 61. 7 plus 61 give us 68. 12 plus 68 give us 80. In that case, the total frequency must be exactly equal to the last number in the cumulative frequency column. Otherwise, whatsoever we get here is either it is wrong or this one is wrong. Good. Now, to calculate the median, first of all, we calculate the median class. Because based on it now, we can't get it accurate based on the other ones. So using median class, the formula to calculate median class is n bracket n over 2 dh, where n is the total frequency, and total frequency here is 80. Using this 80 to substitute capital N, we now have bracket 80 over 2 bracket dh. 80 divided by 2 give us 40. Taking th here, it will now be the median class is found at 40th. Now, we now take this is not the answer, but this is pointing to the particular place we are going to stay and get the median. We now take this particular number obtained here and go to cumulative frequency column. We now check the numbers that are greater than this particular number. Starting from here are greater than this particular number 40. That is from 50 down, they are greater than 40. So the least one among them is where we are going to stay, and that is 50. Because from here up, 30, 40 is greater than them. So we now, unless if we get exactly 40 here, that is when we stay at 40. But in the absence of that, we take the numbers that are greater than this number obtained here. From 50 down, they are greater than 40. The least among them is 50. We now stay at 50. Having stayed at 50, we now direct our answer here. So we are looking for the median length. So the median length here is 23. Therefore, median equals 23 meters. That is all about median of ungrouped data. Thank you.